Why are we moving? What was that, Carlos? Thank you. Fortuna? Fantastic. Tomas? Hello. Are we done? Are we... What is that? No, stop! No, put it! Got kids in the audience, man! You haven't got your chair and your... Lights! Camera! Oh dear. We're all gonna die.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Captain Constellata Cruz, and welcome to the Constipation of the Seas.
Medallions, please! Medallions!
Come on the ship, welcome on board, welcome to you. Come on the ship.
Medallions, please!
Hello, over here.
I am Elise, can you not see I work here? Get me on that lifeboat now!
Well, let's go, my love. Do you know where the Captain's Circle party is? We'll go take you on the cruise. Come on, let's go.
I am Jack.
I am Rose. I want to draw you naked.
No, I want to paint you naked. Take it off. Thank you very much.
The scary part about that is, that dress is not in the dressing up locker back door.
That looks good.
In what world?
Thank you for showing me Venezuela. Thank you. Oh, my lovely, stand up. Good job. This way.
Tell you what.
Do you like it?
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, look at this gorgeous painting. I think I'm in love.
I'm king of the world.
Stop it. Oh. You'll have absolutely no trouble if you go overboard with those flotation devices, my friend. There we go. One more. There we go.
Oh, hi, Captain. Hello. Oh,
What?
there we go. You're flying. There we go.
We have missed that.
Captain, it's an iceberg. Look out! Oh, Jack, I'm so scared.
I am the iceberg.
Oh no! Oh, watch the screen. Watch the screen. Oh no! We need the door. Where is the door?
Rose, I'll save you.
Where's the door?
Carlo, oh shit! What? You ain't going to
Get on the door! Oh, this side. Does that say the word door on it?
I love you, Rose.
I love you, Jack. I never let you go.
Please, Rose.
Oh, it's so cool. Oh no.
Oh, my God.
I miss you already! No!
Get off, you're all fired. Well, ladies and gents, did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Should we get them out one more time for a final round? I want you to go wild, go crazy, ladies and gents. They are your incredible cruise staff team. Let me entertain you all cruise boats. Come on back there, guys. Come on.
Hey there, man.
You've been watching the incredible Fortuna. Jesus is the cruise director. Come on. Jesus is the cruise director. Solo. Assistant cruise director. Solo. And assistant cruise director. DJ Lopez. Between them, ladies and gents, they are the best cruise staff team on the planet. It is truly an honour to work with them each and every day, and I cannot wait to meet them all on another contract. As they leave the ship, give them a massive round of applause. Ladies and gents, your cruise staff team of the Coral Princess. We've got lots more going on around the ship, ladies and gents, in just a few minutes.